Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got a lot video today, as you can see the riders. So let's get on to it and enjoy this video. Hey, is that yours? Damn, I thought you switched over the two-stroke line, bro. I was like, hey, this lot's a lot smaller, so you really got to get on point.
And it's wavy. It's not flat.
Oh,
Look at it, look. Wavy.
Damn, I didn't even notice that. That's crazy. Let's go, dog. You got this, bro. Lift it up.
You gotta get it like right there.
Hey, just yank the shit out of it, bro.
Ride it.
Can I ride it?
Yeah. Go ahead.
You want to hold? Yo. Let's go. Bro, my foot hit the front wheel, bro.
You're looking crazy. I tagged you in the post. You're looking crazy on it.
Thank you, bro. Alright, bro. Damn, bro. Is that a DRZ? Always something going on at the lot. It don't matter what lot you're at, there's always something going on. Scope out the situation. The bike looks fine, bro. I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. Yeah.
Yeah, look at this guy.
Fucking. No, it's not like that.
I know it is like that.
My van's messed up.
125 with cheese. Hey, he ain't no white boy, I'll tell you that right now.
Scrape something. Let's go. I was in the wrong gear, bro. I seen you earlier on the road. You were in a wheelie and I was going like this. That's me with the
Hey, earlier.
yeah, with the Subi. Let's go. All the dirt bikes coming in, bro. Bro, check out homie, bro. Bro, he killing it, dude. Look at homie. Yes, Hey, since you've came here, has anyone like gone too fast?
I haven't seen it.
No.
Honestly?
I almost did it, bro, because the first time I didn't know the sand. I just slid. I was like, oh my god.
This is my first time here. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, it's your first time here?
I've been riding, bro.
Why?
Like 2 months. I don't have a bike right now.
Ah. You crazy in the sand, bro. Oh! Hey, you crazy for doing that shit in the sand, bro. That's scary. Boy Tater out here, y'all know him, bro. One of the Orlando goats out here. Let's go! Up! No way! Bruh. Hey! Good shit. You let me try that out? You let me try that out? I can ride it?
No, I have to go through steps. No, I have to go through steps.
You have no peg.
It's broken.
How much? I can't ride with no peg.
My English don't better. Go.
Okay, I don't know. Mi amo Lars. Mucho gusto, Kawasaki. Everybody's out here. No panic, no panic. We got doubles going on right here. It's probably hard to tell. I need to get over here. going crazy with the doubles, bro. No one does it like Broward V, though. I can tell you that. No one does doubles like Broward V, bro. Homie he on a different level. Bro, we're at the same. So sad.
I ain't seen no work.
Huh? You could have handled that work. Hey, he calling out everyone. On the little 70 or 80. Okay. Dude, let's go, the boy. I'm pretty sure homie from Boston out here, or Massachusetts, somewhere out here. Let's go, that's the boy. The boy out here. But it's just like a normal bike. One down, rest up, and you'll feel it, bro. In the like the low RPM, it's like, you know, like once you just be careful on it. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that's probably my longest no-hander.
Yo, just real quick, my homie never seen you in person. Yo, for real, and I follow you since like
forever, bro. What's good, bro?
Before you like became. No joke, bro.
I appreciate you watching, bro.
Yo, that was a... You did that right.
It was hot, bro. Yo. I was just chilling, like, oh, I'm fucking...
You shift like in third?
That was third, yeah. Yo, second is fast. You're going fast as going 40.
That's why I said you gotta be rolling in second to get it started because it wants to go even faster. Maybe you should practice it at first. Maybe you should practice it at first.
Bro, wow. This is like.
How is it to pick it up? How easy?
Bro, my heart is. It's so scary.